Why discipline is so important in achieving your goals. Oh my God. Hey guys, I'm making a massive push on Instagram. I want to get to 100,000 followers organically by the end of the year. And the only way I'm going to do that is by you guys sharing my content. So please go give me a follow on Instagram and share whatever videos on there that you see are valuable to you. Share it to your story. Thank you so much. Discipline equals freedom. No matter what. That battle with that inner bitch inside of you is a tough one. It's hard. I still struggle with it. I mean, I failed 75 hard like 7 times, probably more than 7 times before I actually finished it. And the one thing that taught me is like it's a mental discipline challenge. Discipline is going to get you whatever you want because discipline and habits help you do hard things consistently that no one else wants to do. That's what's going to get us there. Because we have no discipline and we're a fat fuck. Where else are we lacking discipline to where, okay, the discipline to develop this skill that I need, this discipline to spend more time with my significant other. Like all these things are disciplines of doing things that I'll call that person who's really selfish or inner bitch, right? Because sleeping in, like it feels good, it's selfish. Like I want to sleep in, but I can't sleep in. I should wake up early so I can bang out more work so I can go spend more time with my son instead of working. That's that inner bitch pulling you. Oh, well, I don't want to go to this thing with my significant other. That's your inner bitch pulling you, right? You have to have discipline to fight these things. Discipline is going to unlock your life 100%. And I know it's not, some people, I guess, are more born with more, but you can still develop it. I believe 75 Hard is an amazing program for it. It helped me out a lot. And where I got most of my discipline was from sports. And it was really just from like really grinding my teeth and be like, fuck everybody else, I'm going to be the best. And that just helped me form discipline out of like, honestly, like pure hatred. But it helped me out so much. And it helped me get to where I am as far as, okay, these are the principles that I live by. I'm disciplined to do this. I'm mentally tough. But if you don't have discipline, you won't get anywhere. Because we got to even have discipline to hold our temper. As an entrepreneur, right? And you can, as an entrepreneur, you're going to get so many things. You're going to want to say some wild shit to some fucking people. Some people are people, right? And they're going to piss you off. And then you're going to have to be self-disciplined enough not tell someone fuck off. And that can be an employee. That can be a partner. That can be a lot of things. Right? If you're just brash and you have no discipline as far as your emotions, bad. If you have no discipline as far as your diet, bad. If you have no discipline as far as, let's say, sexual desires, bad. Like all these things can splay out and become massive problems in your life. Discipline is going to solve most of your problems. And the easiest way, and I think the best way to develop more discipline is the 75 Hard program. It changed my life at that point in time, and it brought me so much momentum. And it shows you can do it. And another easy way to gain more discipline is like, let's have an actual why. And the reason I was so mad because the coaches, other people like slept on me, like they didn't believe in me, blah, blah, blah. And so that was my drive to have the discipline to go out instead of going and partying. Like I was going and doing footwork. Or I'd go do footwork, then party, then go do footwork again, right? But like to have that, oh, well, I need to get this done now. And then again, and then again, is I had a really, really big why. Like I was passionate about it. I was tired of being slept on. I was tired of people saying all these things. I was tired of people not thinking I'm good enough. And so that's what created that discipline and that resolve. So what is your why? Like what is the reason you even want discipline? I mean, being disciplined to be disciplined by Goggins is cool. I would say Goggins is an exceptional human. Like exceptional. Find your why to why you want to be like that. And Goggins found his. She's like, I'm never going back to that. For me, my discipline is like, I want to be the best. Like I truly want to make $500 million. Like, how can we get there? And so that discipline has to go into, okay, well now if I want to make $500 million, I have to do X. Like, I have to get better at my sales skills. I have to get better at my marketing skills. I have to get better at my leadership skills. Like I have to develop these things, and developing those things takes discipline. It just doesn't happen. I have to do them consistently over and over again on a daily basis, weekly basis, monthly, yearly, over decades in order to get the results I want. It just doesn't happen over time. And one thing that Outsell always talks about is it is a perishable skill. And I've seen that to where when I got really, really fat, I was like, oh my God, I'm so fat. And then I had to work on my discipline again through 75 hard to get myself back into a point where I was happy with myself. And I felt like I had control of my discipline. Discipline equals freedom. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. If you are currently listening, please go give it a share with some of your friends and spread the word about how we can all become better entrepreneurs and better business owners and really better family members all around. And this is the podcast you listen to make sure you can hit that next level. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. We wouldn't be able to do it all without you.